intermittent problem on this part. I mean, the keyboard sound gives lower volume even if you hit the key harder. It gives you only 2 bar. Sometimes it's not showing. Now there is no signal coming. Sometimes even if you hit harder, it gives you only 3. We have to check the condition of the unit inside. But for me, the main reason is this part, because this board is running to the main board over here. Even if this part has no chance to get cold solder, because this board is double-sided, it has soldered on this part and also on this side. So if you're thinking that there is a loose connection from the inside, have soldered on it.